Wakaji wa eneo la Nyang'iti, wadi ya Mp-Bonchari, kaunti ya Kisii hii leo walijitokeza katika shule ya msingi ya Nyang'iti kwa ushuhudiaji wa kufunguliwa rasmi kwa choo cha walimu kilichojengwa kwa ufadhili mkuu wa wakili Cliff Ombeta. Kulingana na naibu mwalimu mkuu wa shule hii, msaada wa wakili Cliff Ombeta umesaidia shule hii vikamilifu.
We have challenges. We had foreign classrooms which were later constructed by CDF. We also have a challenge. We had a challenge of toilets which had cracks. And then we had given proposals to any wisher. We came across Mr. Wakili Cliff Ombeta. He offered himself to donate for us a toilet, which is now already completed and ready to be used. So thank you so much, Wakili. We appreciate your effort and we will welcome anytime.
Ameongeza kusema kuwa kumekuweko na changamoto ambazo meikumba shule hii kando na vyoo.
The institution has several challenges, as you saw as you coming in. We still need more classrooms. We still need a good toilet, a bigger one, which can accommodate all the teachers. And I think those are the few challenges that we have now.
Kwa upande wake, wakili Cliff Ombeta amesema kuwa ameamua kutoa msaada wake kwa watu wake wa nyumbani kuhusiana na shida ambazo zinazowakumba kwa sasa.
I heard about the challenges. Actually, there are 3 schools that I was told about that had challenges. The Nyang'ITI school, then there is Bunyoro, and this one. But as we move around to tackle the challenges, I started with this one because Mwalimu Gisware had called me specifically and told me that they have nothing to use at the moment, and that the cracks that are developed on the others was risky. So I thought then perhaps this being quite an emergency, let's see what we can do about it. I tried to contact maybe a few guys here, as I will not mention their names, whether they could be able to channel some money here, but I did not get a response. So I took it upon myself to come here personally and get the project moved. It has moved. It did not take a long time. It's just taken about a few days, maybe probably a week.
Ombeta amesema kuwa maendeleo kama haya ndiyo yanayofaa kupewa kaumbele na viongozi na washikadau katika sekta ya maendeleo.
2 weeks? Yes, and today we have come to open it officially. It can be used now. It is usable. And I hear that the challenges are still there with more toilets and the classrooms. Well, we'll see what we can be able to do about that. Because as we go on, teachers will need a place where they can use. Students need a place where they can go for short course, long course, and all that. They need classes, and education must be combined with all these things.
Kulingana naye, kuna miradi ingine ambayo ni muhimu kwa wananchi ambayo huwaguza moja kwa moja na haifai kusahaulika.
You cannot have an institution that does not have toilets, and you cannot have toilets without an institution. And if classes are missing and they are lacking classes, we must also go ahead and do that. As we do more classes, then that means we will need more infrastructure for the students and the teachers. So we will take that as a challenge and move forward. I think this is not funded by anybody else, it's personally by me. And once I get also a few friends aboard, we will be able to do more.
Kuhusiana na mtaala mpya wa elimu CBC, Ombeta ametoa ushauri wake vikamilifu.
That one has been passed, and now that is the position we are in currently. The only thing is we tackle those challenges. If we need an extra class, then we have to build an extra class. If we need more room, we'll have to need more room. We cannot go back and start standing aside and hoping that people will come. If then people who are responsible, and remember, when you come to an institution whereby there is something to do with education and security, it is the local MP who has to take that. If he is not able, we cannot keep on waiting and saying that he will come and hope perhaps he might never come. So what do we do ourselves? Let us take the challenge.
Eneo la Bomorenda kama wadi iliyoko katika eneo bunge la Bonchari inadaiwa kusahaulika na mbunge wa sasa Charles Onchoke kwa kile wananchi wanasema kuwa toki katika eneo hilo. Nikiripotia Africa Finance TV kutoka wadi ya Bomorenda, eneo bunge la Bonchari, kaunti ya Kisii, jina langu ni Gilbert Kobi.